Just press a button on the radio over there.
The National Weather Service in New York has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Orange County until 9:30 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a thunderstorm 6 miles northwest of Florida, or 6 miles south of Middletown, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Wildwood, Goshen, Greenwood Lake, and Chester. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. According to the National Weather Service, U.S., New York, NY, or East, mail us at okx.spotters@noaa.gov. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Orange, New York.
What the hell? Oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near High Point, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Other strong to possibly severe thunderstorms are moving into southwest Sussex County. The severe thunderstorm will be near Sussex around 7:35 p.m., Franklin and Ogdensburg around 7:40 p.m., Hamburg around 7:45 p.m., Martin Valley around 7:55 p.m., Highland Lake around 8 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.
Uh-oh. Check it out.
So, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: Sussex, New Jersey,